Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Robux to your Roblox account. So first, let's go ahead and open Roblox, that is roblox.com, log into your account, then select Marketplace from the top of the screen that is between charts and create. Here you can browse various items. If you look at clothing like shirts, you'll see that many of them cost Robux. And to buy these, you need to get more Robux. So in this video, I'll walk you through the process of adding Robux to your account so that you can start spending them. There are a couple of ways to do this, so watch the whole guide to learn all the methods. The first way is to click on the Robux icon in the top right corner of your screen. And here select Buy Robux. Clicking this will show your current balance and the different Robux packages you can buy. So go ahead, select Buy Robux option. The Robux ranges up to 24,000. As you go down on the list, the amount decreases and the price goes down as well. So select the amount of the Robux that you want to purchase. For example, let's go ahead and select 1,000 Robux and tap on the desired amount. And now you need to select the payment method such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or you can also redeem the Robux card if you have. And you can also go through other different options. Select one of these payment methods and follow the on-screen instructions to purchase it. After purchasing, click on the Robux icon in the top right corner of your screen, and you should see your balance has increased by the amount you purchased. Now let's look at another way, which is redeeming a gift card or Robux code. To do this, you need to open a web browser, go to roblox.com, click on the Robux icon in the top right corner of your screen. Here, select Redeem Roblox codes from the drop-down menu, or you can also go to roblox.com/redeem. And then in this field, you need to enter the code that you have, then select Redeem in the bottom, and you'll be done. The Robux will be added to your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.